Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can program the micro IC 80 mega 32L8. This is a CPU of a PCB board, and here this is a port ISP for programming this IC or micro IC, and this is my programmer, universal programmer, have a port ISP, you see, and here ISP. You must build or make a cable for connection, and I have a map here. This IC have a pin number 1, MOSI number pin 2 in IC, pin number 2, MISO number 3, CSK number 4 in IC, reset 5, VCC 6 grand. Okay, this is a map of my micro IC, and this is a map in my programmer. When you see this port, one of right pin 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You must connection port number 1 in programmer to IC. Okay, again, this is my map. Number 1 in programmer go to number 7 in IC, and 2 not connection 3 reset go to number 4, pin number 4 in IC. Okay, this is a map basically, and we have a connection here, and I make this cable for programming. And connection. Okay, let's go to computer for programming. Okay guys, a connector in my programmer is turned on, and the VCC 5 volts for turn on the PCB board, and open you must detect the IC is automatically is begin. Yes, find this Atmega 32 ISP. You see, Yes. And first read my IC. You see, when reading, the light is green on. And read is done, and you can see this buffer. We have a letter right here, and I want to save this programming. Save as. Washing. Number 1. Save, and you see here washing 1.bin, and you must erasing device will be erased. Do you want? Yes. Erase is done. Okay. After erasing, you must blanking. And you must wait. Device is blanking. Okay. Again, read. Okay, you see here is empty and micro IC is empty. When micro IC is empty, light is stop. Okay, and again load washing number 1, open, and you see buffer here, and again you must program. When you program in the board lighting is on and off. Okay. Chip program is done, and nothing. I will turn on in the AC voltage. Okay guys, here for AC voltage, and turn AC voltage. You see, my programming is working. Selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 programmer, 8, and PCB board is working.